The price of Cardano, ADA, is now experiencing a decline towards 25 cents. However, there are factors that suggest it has the potential to increase to 33 cents. In summary, the price of ADA has experienced a negative movement subsequent to its rejection at a horizontal resistance zone in the month of July. The current price is towards the lower end of a range that has been seen for an extended period of time. The readings of the weekly and daily timeframe indicators, as well as the observed price action, collectively indicate a sustained downward trend towards new lows. The bullish sentiment towards the Cardano price prediction will be strengthened if the price successfully recovers and maintains a short-term rising support line. On July 31st, ADA had a breakdown starting at the mentioned line. The present trading price of Cardano, ADA, is situated in close proximity to the middle point of a range that has been sustained over a significant period of time. The current position was attained subsequent to a prior instance of being denied at the upper limit of this range in the month of July. The validation of this rejection occurred subsequent to the price's breach of an upward sloping support trendline. This phenomenon suggests that the price of ADA is currently through a phase of adjustment. The Cardano cryptocurrency has resumed its decline towards the lower end of its established trading range. In the weekly period, it can be observed from technical analysis that ADA experienced a rejection at the horizontal resistance level of 38 cents during the month of July, as indicated by the red indicator. The occurrence of rejection resulted in the formation of a lengthy upper wick, which is commonly interpreted as an indication of heightened selling pressure. Furthermore, it initiated a continuous downward trajectory that persists to this day. The nearest support level is located at 25 cents, which is in close proximity to the annual lows. Despite a significant growth of total value locked on the Cardano blockchain this year, the price is steadily nearing it. The ADA cryptocurrency has consistently maintained a trading value higher than its initial value since the commencement of the year, save for a brief decline in June, as indicated by the presence of a green icon. This decline resulted in the formation of a lengthy lower wick. Currently, the ADA price is being traded at a value of 27 cents, which is 10% higher than the horizontal support level of 25 cents. It is noteworthy to mention that during a period of 7 days, Cardano whales have withdrew a total of $29 million, while network activity exhibited a consistent fall throughout the month of July. The Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, provides an indeterminate reading. When assessing market circumstances, traders employ the Relative Strength Index, RSI, as a momentum indicator to ascertain whether a market is experiencing excessive buying or selling pressure. This information aids in making informed decisions on the accumulation or sale of assets. In instances where the Relative Strength Index, RSI, reading above 50 and exhibits an upward trend, it may be inferred that the bulls maintain a favorable position. Conversely, when the RSI reading falls below 50, the opposite holds true. Although there has been an upward trend in the indicator, its value remains below the threshold of 50. This phenomenon exhibits characteristics of an indeterminate trend. The price prediction for ADA suggests that a breakdown in its value could potentially result in reaching lows in the vicinity of $0.25. The examination carried out on the 6-hour time period indicates a pessimistic viewpoint. The aforementioned perspective is substantiated by both the observed fluctuations in prices and the utilization of the Elliott wave theory. The analysis of the Elliott wave pattern indicates the conclusion of a corrective ABC structure, black. The observed arrangement has an upward trajectory, indicating a negative trend. The Elliott wave hypothesis is a methodology employed by technical analysts to identify repetitive and extended price trends and investor attitudes, facilitating the prediction of the future direction of these trends. The pessimistic perspective was substantiated when the price of ADA encountered a decline below a support line that was trending upwards in the near term on July 31st. Notwithstanding a favorable declaration made by Charles Hoskinson, this event signified the conclusion of the preceding upward trend. In the event that the ADA price continues to decline, there exists the possibility of a subsequent decrease of around 10%. This would result in the establishment of a horizontal support level at a value of $0.25. On the other hand, a revival in price momentum has the potential to result in a 20% increase, causing the price to return to the upward support line, so confirming its role as a resistance level. Given the aforementioned scenario, the demarcation point would be situated at a value of 33 cents. The bearish view is substantiated by the Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, as it registers a value below 50, as indicated by the red circle. Currently, the forecast for the price of ADA is pessimistic, indicating a potential decrease towards the region of 25 cents. Nevertheless, a substantial rebound at the present level may trigger an upward trajectory, propelling ADA towards the prior rising support line positioned at 33 cents. This would result in a 20% increment, calculated relative to the prevailing price. The 11% drop in Bitcoin's price is a prediction. Amid changes in the market and major events, Bitcoin, which is currently worth $26 for 23 and is selling on the cryptocurrency market, has dropped by nearly 11% in the last week. This happened in a market that is very unstable. This drop is happening against the background of important events and changes that are still changing the crypto world. In the middle of these changes, people like Trump, who warns of possible effects on the US currency system. And interesting moves, like SpaceX's sale of Bitcoin bought in 2021 and 2022 for $373 million have drawn more attention to the market. Also, changes in Tether's backing for certain cryptocurrencies show how complicated the factors are that affect the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This Bitcoin price forecast looks at the recent 11% drop in BTC and the market factors and important events that are affecting its path. Trump raises concerns about the US losing control of the global currency system. BTC/USD is going down today, which is similar to what former President Donald Trump said about the United States standing in the world. In a recent interview, Trump talked about how the US dollar is losing its power on the world market. He was worried about the decline of the country under the present government and warned that other countries are moving away from the dollar. Trump said that the Chinese yuan could possibly replace the dollar. And his comments about energy prices and the chance of a recession if he doesn't get re-elected may have caused the BTC/USD exchange rate to go down today. SpaceX gets $373 million for selling Bitcoin. Today, the BTC/USD rate is going down, which could be because of recent news about SpaceX's Bitcoin